welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you a daytime natural daily wear kind of a makeup look. So this you can wear it to college, to office, whatever it is that you want to wear your daytime makeup look for, a very natural and a no makeup look. So there is another video of mine in which I do show you how to do a daytime natural makeup look, but this is going to be slightly different from that video in the sense that I am going to do my blush and contour and a little bit of highlight under my foundation. So you can check that out. I will put the link of that video in the description box down below. So if you want to see how I do this variation of a natural makeup look, please keep on watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that now. Click on the subscribe button and let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use a primer. I'm using the P.A.C primer. It's called the Zero Pore Separation Cream. I have already done my skincare routine. I have applied a sunscreen. This primer is supposed to close your pores and it's supposed to make your foundation go on pretty smooth onto your face. So once you apply your sunscreen, you should wait a couple of minutes so that your sunscreen settles down into your skin and your skin absorbs all that needs to be absorbed. So after the primer, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a blush. So I'm using this Creme Rouge Wheel from Milani. And I'm going to use this center shade right here. I'm going to use my fingers and I'm just going to
and then I'm using this dark foundation shade from the Derma range of Kryolan Professional Makeup, and I am going to cream contour my face. I am using the highlighter brush from Nykaa. If you remember, I had used this in one of my earlier videos in which I was trying out the Nykaa's highlighter for the first time. I had also tried this brush at that time for the first time and I didn't like it for highlighting, so I am using this for contouring. I really love this brush for precise contouring. I can even use it for my nose. It's really good for making those precise lines that you need for contouring your nose, your cheekbones, under the jaw, on the forehead. So I really love this brush for contouring, and you can use it for both cream and powder contouring. And then I'm quickly going to blend everything in using my dampened YBP Makeup Perfector sponge. I'm going to mention all the products that I'm using for this video down in the description box below. So make sure to check that out for any details that you need on the products that I'm using today. For foundation today, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer in number 7 Sand. And I'm just going to apply it on my face with the fingers first. And then using the same damp sponge, I'm going to blend all the foundation in. First on my face, and then I'm also going to go down onto my neck so that my face and neck don't look different. For concealing today, I'm using this tone correcting concealer from E.L.F. I'm using this concealer because I don't want my under eyes and other areas that I'm concealing to look extremely highlighted. This is a very natural everyday kind of a makeup look, so this concealer will help in concealing any imperfections without making them too highlighted and without making it look very made up. So I'm applying this under my eyes, around my mouth, along my jawline, basically all the areas where I need more coverage, because these are the areas which look a lot darker on my face, so I need to cover these up. And then I'm blending it all in using the YBP Makeup Perfector sponge again. for powder today, I'm using this luxury powder from Ben Nye, and I'm just going to use a small brush for the smaller areas, that is under my eyes, around the corners of my nose, and then using the large powder brush, I'm just going to powder my entire face. I'm not going to drag the powder on my face, I'm just going to pat it on so that nothing moves underneath the powder and everything looks seamless. And also don't forget to powder your neck and your ears a little bit. And then I'm using this beautiful highlighter from NYX in the shade Sun Goddess, and I'm just going to take out a little bit of a product on the sponge, and I'm going to tap it on the high points of my face, basically the cheekbones, and I'm also going to apply a little bit of highlighter on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and I'm also going to apply it on my eyelids for a very subtle shine on the lids. It looks beautiful on the eyelids when you have nothing else going on the eyes. And then I'm going to quickly fill in my brows. This is the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. I have a separate video where I show how I fill in my brows, and I have another video in which I have reviewed this brow pencil. So I will link both of them down in the description box below. If you need any more details, please go and check those two out. And then I'm using the Get Big Lashes mascara from Essence, and I'm just going to coat my upper and lower lashes really well. This is the only definition that I'm going to give to the eyes today for a very natural look. So please make sure that you use 2 to 3 coats of mascara so that you have enough definition going on the eyes. And to finish the look, I'm using this very pretty color called Muslin Mauve from the new Sugar Secret Suede lipstick, and I'm going to apply this all over my lips. It's a very pretty color. It stays on your lips for a very long time, and it doesn't even dry out your lips. In fact, after some time you tend to forget that you are wearing a lipstick. I have reviewed this product in one of my earlier videos. I will link that also in the description box if you want any further details. And to finally finish everything off and set everything in place, I'm using this makeup finishing spray from Skindinavia, and I'm just going to dunk my face in this. This will make sure that my makeup stays in place for a very long time, so I tend to use a lot of makeup spray. And then I'm just going to use the damp sponge again and press the makeup finishing spray into my skin so that everything sits in beautifully and the face doesn't look powdery or wet, and this will lock everything in place.
So this was the very simple and quick no makeup look for you guys. This daytime look is something that you can wear every single day without being conscious about wearing makeup. So do let me know in the comment section below if you liked this look and if you would go for a very minimalistic no makeup look like this on an everyday basis. And if you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and also do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, so that we meet again and again. So thank you so much for being here and watching this entire video. I really appreciate the support that you guys are giving me. Have a great week ahead, and I will see you guys again in the next cruelty-free video. Don't just make up, make it cruelty-free. Have a really great rest of your day, and I will see you very soon in another cruelty-free video in the next week. Till then, take care. Bye.